Good morning बच्चों. In this video I am going to show you how to get masked input in Python. That means password. Okay, as we are developing project, so it is necessary for us to protect our project. So how to protect? With the help of password. Okay, I am going to show you two methods. That means two module. The first one is by using getPass module. Okay, this getPass module you need not to install. Okay, that means you will get in Python ideally. Now, getPass module provides a portable way to handle password prompts securely. Is it? GetPass module uses getPass function. Okay, now see, getPass module uses getPass function. That means function name itself getPass to prompt the user for a password without echoing. Okay, without echoing means that means you are not going to see anything. Okay, so for example, normally what's happen if you are typing password, some asterisk symbols. Okay, but here if you are going to type password, okay, it is not going to display anything. Okay, so get pass function to prompt the user for a password without echoing. That means you are not going to see any symbol. Okay, now for example, suppose username Rahul and password, okay, 123 @ now import getpass. Okay, as you know that module is required to import getpass. Then u equal input, enter username, then p equal getpass dot getpass. Okay, this getpass is module and this getpass is function. Prompt, enter your password. Okay, inside prompt you can type your message and my message is here, enter your password. Okay, if u equal Rahul and p equal r 123 @ print login successfully, else okay, check username or password. Is it? You can get your username and password from your database or from your binary file. Is it? Now watch. Okay, I'm going to show you the execution of same program. Okay, execution of same program in Python ideally. Is it? Now same program, you can see import getpass, u equal input, enter your name, p equal getpass dot getpass. Okay, now I'm going to execute it. Now F5, enter username, I entered here Rahul. Okay, now you see getpass warning, getpass warning could not control echo on the terminal. Okay, echo on the terminal. Okay, password input may be echoed, means your password may be echoed means क्या हो गया, आपका password दिख सकता है. Okay, now I'm going to type, you see, r123 @ that means username Rahul and password both are correct. Now hit enter, you can see login successfully. Okay, is it? So what's happen here, you want to hide your password, but in Python ideally, okay, in Python ideally if you are using getPass module and getPass function, your password may be echoed. Is it? So how to resolve this problem? Okay, you can resolve this problem if you are using Windows operating system. You can resolve this problem by using DOS. That means now you have to execute your project or your file from DOS window, not from Python ideally. Okay, so now I opened CMD and let me show you file name. You can see my file name is getPassword and the location of this file is, you can see, C drive class 12th folder. Is it? Now execute same program Okay, same lines of code but from this place. Okay, so first of all cd slash class 12th. Okay, now python file name get password. Okay, so get p and press tab button. Now you press enter. Okay, enter username Rahul. Enter your password. Now I am going to type password, correct password. Okay, now see carefully, r123 @ okay, now password has been typed. I am going to press enter. You can see login successfully. Okay, so I entered password but password was not echoed here. Okay, so if you are using get pass module, okay, execute your program in DOS or in CMD. Is it? Now second method, by using easy GUI module. Okay, so easy GUI module provides an easy to use interface for simple GUI interaction with a user. Okay, अगर आप इसको यूज़ करते हो तो प्रोग्रामर को कोई अदर नॉलेज नहीं होनी चाहिए अबाउट GUI प्रोग्राम, या नहीं है तो भी चलेगा. Is it? But you have to install. Okay, you have to install easy GUI. So how to do this? It is also very easy. Open CMD, type pip install easy GUI. Okay, please do not use python -m here. Okay, simple pip install easy GUI. Okay, let me show you. CMD pip install easy GUI. Okay, it will take some time. Wait for it. After the installation, you can import easy GUI. Okay, in my coming videos, I will discuss about easy GUI. It is very interesting library or module. Okay, now suppose our password is r123 @. Okay, I'm not going to take username here. Why, that I will explain later. Okay, now suppose we want to type only password. Now import easy GUI as e. Now p equal e dot password box. Okay, password box. If p equal capital R123 @ login successfully. Else please check. Okay, else please check password. Okay, there is no username, so let me remove this username. Check password. Okay, I think easy here. Import easy GUI as e. P equal e dot password box. P equal capital R123 @ login successfully. Else print check password. Is it? Now see the execution of this code also. Now okay, I am going to execute it. F5. Now you see one password box, okay, will appear, and you can see the message enter your password. So I am going to type password R123 @. Okay, you can see here asterisk symbol. Okay, now click on OK. You can see login successfully. I typed password but password was not visible. It was in the form of asterisk, or you can say encrypted, something like that. Is it? So hope you will use either get pass or password box, to set password for your project. Thank you, have fun. And ask me doubt. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in WhatsApp. Thank you.